We possess a massive shark vertebra located deep within Antarctica's frozen wilderness. In this unforgiving land where icy winds soar and snow-covered landscapes stretch to the horizon, a timeless fault has emerged. Within this silent repository, frozen for centuries, we find holds that have remained locked in ice, preserving astonishing frozen civilizations and enigmatic Antarctic pyramids. Each discovery offers a tantalizing peek into forgotten chapters of our history. Join us on an exhilarating expedition through history's icy corridors as we uncover the truth behind the most bewildering artifacts frozen in Antarctic ice.
Dale has told us horror stories of tents flying off across the ice.
Antarctica's subglacial civilization.
5,000 years, we have sacred texts that tell us there was an antediluvian civilization.
In 1946, Admiral Richard Byrd led Operation High Jump, a significant Antarctic mission. This 4-month expedition aimed at military objectives and finding potential bases took an unexpected turn. According to a secret diary, Byrd encountered something extraordinary, rumors of a passage to Earth's core through the South Pole. Flying his plane there, he witnessed astonishing sights. The frigid land transformed into a lush, colorful haven. A crystalline city radiating multicolored light greeted him, guided by peculiar flying discs. These discs, seemingly controlled by an unknown force, led him to a being known as the Master. Disappointed in humanity's nuclear destruction, the Master revealed a concern for Earth's future. Byrd's accounts, though classified, spark connections between ancient Earth being stories and modern UFO phenomena, suggesting a hidden Earth civilization. Fossils from the deep freeze. Embarking on Antarctic missions may seem daunting, yet the allure of unearthing ancient treasures drives scientists forward. In 2016, a group of international scientists ventured to Antarctica, discovering a trove of fossils and dinosaur remains hidden within the icy expanse. Believed to date back around 71 million years, these fossils primarily belong to marine creatures, including prehistoric ducks, said to be from the late Cretaceous period. The challenging journey to the expedition site proved worthwhile, unveiling ancient history and enriching scientific knowledge.
Ammonite here, we've got this giant
relics of an ancient rainforest. In 2017, scientists uncovered sediment core samples from the ocean floor off Antarctica's coast, revealing remnants of a temperate rainforest that thrived supposedly some 90 million years ago. These ancient forest soils contain fossilized plant pollen, spores, and intricate root networks. Remarkably, this rainforest existed around 560 miles from the South Pole, showcasing a time of surprisingly mild climate conditions. These findings challenge assumptions and demonstrate the resilience of plant life even in extreme environments like Antarctica. The hidden depths of Lake Vostok. Life in cold regions involves more than ice and snow. It also includes hidden lakes. Lake Vostok, beneath Russia's Vostok Station, is the largest of Antarctica's subglacial lakes. Buried beneath the East Antarctic ice sheet, this lake rests at a staggering depth of 1,600 feet below sea level. It's a striking example of life thriving in extreme conditions. While we must respect its cold depths, Lake Vostok offers a lesson in the unique ecosystems that can exist beneath the ice. By acknowledging the wonders and mysteries Antarctica holds, we gain insight into our planet's history and the remarkable adaptability of life even in the harshest environments. The Arid McMurdo Dry valleys. We've discussed Antarctica's intriguing facets before, but could you fathom certain regions devoid of snow? This might seem implausible by conventional standards, yet allow us to introduce you to the remarkably dry expanse known as the McMurdo Dry valleys. Nestled within the Victoria Lake region, these valleys stand remarkably barren of snow. Astonishingly, scientists believe that rainfall has eluded these valleys for almost 2 million years. The surrounding mountains not only contribute to this aridity, but also hinder the influx of ice from nearby glaciers. Encompassing approximately 1,500 square miles, this region stands as one of Earth's most extreme deserts. The sole known inhabitants are endolithic bacteria, seeking refuge within moist rock interiors sheltered from the arid air. This unique ecosystem defies our perceptions of Antarctica, showcasing that beneath its icy exterior lies one of the harshest and driest deserts. The icefish colony. Antarctica's reputation as an unforgiving climate doesn't negate the presence of animal life. In 2022, researchers unveiled a significant find, a breeding colony of notothanioid icefish in the southern Weddell Sea. This colony exceeded all prior records in size, encompassing an expansive area. The estimated pointed to over 60 million active nests. collectively weighing around 135 million pounds in biomass. Discovered during a survey of the Flichner ice shelf, researchers utilized specialized equipment towed behind the RV polar stern at varying speeds. This equipment captured videos and acoustic bathymetry data, providing comprehensive insights. These findings underscore life's resilience even in the most hostile environments, but studying such life requires advanced, costly equipment beyond the realm of conventional sources. The Antarctica UFO. Google Earth, a tool enabling us to explore the world from a safe distance, occasionally yields intriguing finds. UFO enthusiasts recently claimed to have spotted a crashed unidentified flying object in Antarctica via Google Earth images. These enthusiasts propose that the wreckage hints at an extraterrestrial spacecraft accident on the icy continent. The alleged sighting happened on South Georgia Island, sparsely inhabited by fewer than 40 individuals. The captivating video of the site gained international attention, sparking discussions and debates among online UFO enthusiasts. Interpretations varied, with some asserting the object's authenticity and others positing it to be a glacier-carried rock. Ultimately, the belief in this discovery's significance hinges on personal perspectives. Advocates of extraterrestrial existence might scrutinize the enigmatic object, while those inclined toward scientific understanding may engage with alternate avenues of knowledge, dismissing it as an ordinary rock. Life beneath Antarctic ice. Contemplating the incredible adaptability of life in extreme environments often leads us to ponder the feasibility of organisms surviving under layers of ice in sub-zero temperatures. In a surprising turn, recent scientific research from December 2021 has unveiled a thriving marine life community beneath the ice shelves of Antarctica. While it's been acknowledged that specific life forms flourish in cold, dark and calm habitats of icy shelves, sampling from these remote areas has been rare. In 2018, a groundbreaking expedition near the New Maya Station 3 in the southeastern Weddell Sea provided insight. Despite temperatures plummeting to approximately -2.2 degrees Celsius or 35.9 degrees Fahrenheit, the mission successfully drilled through nearly 0.1 miles of the ice shelf using hot water. Analysis of the specimens collected showcased a diverse marine life community within the seabed, extending even several miles inland. This discovery unequivocally illustrates the endurance and thriving of animals in incredibly cold environments. The mechanisms and motivations behind these creatures' presence remain largely enigmatic, challenging our preconceived notions and highlighting the limits of our understanding of the natural world. The Rectangular Iceberg. In cartoons, icebergs often take on a distinctive uniform shape. Surprisingly, this depiction mirrors reality in certain cases. Jeremy Harbach, a NASA scientist with decades of aerial survey experience, stumbled upon an iceberg in Antarctica resembling a man-made structure. This iceberg showcased square sides and a flat top, resembling a perfect rectangle rather than a natural formation. Rectangular icebergs, though rare, result from ice crystals fracturing along straight lines. Notably irregularly shaped icebergs, contrary to cartoons, dominate the northern hemisphere due to friction between ice and the underlying bedrock. This intriguing discovery underscores the alignment between reality and our animated portrayals. The Gambit mountain range. Antarctica's allure transcends its icy exterior, showcasing the Gambit mountain range, also called the Gambit subglacial mountains. This remote range lies in East Antarctica and remains one of the planet's most secluded regions. The Gambit Mountains supposedly trace their origins back roughly 1 billion years to the formation of the supercontinent Rodinia, arising from the collision of two land masses. Spanning around 750 miles and towering at about 8,900 feet, though obscured by over 2,000 feet of ice and snow, this range beckons with captivating beauty. Surprisingly little is known about this intriguing terrain, leading to speculative theories about its inhabitants, from extraterrestrial beings to mythical creatures, yet the mystery endures. Ancient meteorites. In movies, massive celestial bodies colliding with Earth provoke panic and devastation. However, the reality of meteorites is less dramatic. These fragments of space rocks frequently fall to Earth, with up to 84,000 meteorites larger than a marble estimated to descend annually. Many go undiscovered due to detection challenges, hiding among vegetation, terrestrial rocks, underwater, or in obscure places. Antarctica's expansive emptiness aids meteorite discovery. Scientists explore the continent to find these unique rocks, learning about Earth's origins and the potential for extraterrestrial life. Meteorites play an extraordinary role in our understanding, revealing that reality is more fascinating than fiction. Mount Arabis, an active volcano. While climate change concerns dominate discussions, another important issue often escapes notice: the presence of an active volcano in Antarctica. Mount Arabis, the second highest active volcano on the continent, is the southernmost active volcano globally. It's believed to have sustained volcanic activity for over 1 million years, featuring a lava lake within its inner summit crater since the 1970s. Towering at 12,448 feet, it occupies a place alongside other volcanoes, even if they're inactive. While not a primary focus, understanding the potential environmental implications of volcanic activity in Antarctica is crucial, especially considering the region's existing challenges within environmental change. The enigma of the Antarctic Pyramid. Conspiracy theories often arise when anomalies challenge logic and common sense. In the case of the Antarctic Pyramid, a subject that has garnered significant online attention, various speculations about its origins have surfaced. While some speculate that it was crafted by a lost civilization or extraterrestrial beings, scientists assert that the most plausible explanation is that it's a natural mountain formation. Although this explanation might seem mundane, the pyramid-like features are a result of extensive erosion over at least millions of years, according to scientists. However, it's intriguing to note that pyramid-shaped formations, even if with only one or two faces resembling pyramids, can occur in nature, albeit rarely. Thus, while scientific explanations dismiss the mystery, personal beliefs and inclinations remain unconstrained by such findings. Ghostly sounds of Antarctica. Life in the Arctic might seem devoid of supernatural phenomena due to the lack of human presence, but researchers have potentially discovered evidence to the contrary. Auditory signals with an uncanny resemblance to fantastical imaginings have been detected in Antarctica. However, these sounds aren't linked to extraterrestrial life. Rather, they result from vibrating ice due to the wind moving over snow dunes. Although these sounds possess frequencies too low for human perception, monitoring equipment can accelerate and make them audible. Thus, while the ghostly enigma doesn't involve spectral entities, the perpetual flute serenade on the icy precipice provides an exquisite analogy. The heat beneath Antarctica. Antarctica's reputation as an icy realm is well established, but recent findings suggest the presence of substantial geothermal heat beneath East Antarctica, a factor largely overlooked in climate change discussions. This discovery poses significant challenges due to its potential to accelerate ice melt. Radar readings during a survey reveal a concerning trend. Ice melt in certain areas originates from the bottom upwards. Radioactive rocks and hot water discharge from the Earth's crust, contributing to this thawing process. This phenomenon could lead to increased ice loss in the future, underscoring the intricate interplay between Earth's geothermal activity and climate change impacts. The mysterious blood falls. Imagine a massive cascade of red liquid akin to a sea of crimson. This eerie spectacle brings to mind vampire fantasies with a macabre twist. Place the blood with saline water. Enter Bloodfall, a mesmerizing outflow of saline water tinted with red iron oxide from the Taylor Glacier in Antarctica. First discovered in 1911, the vivid red hue was initially attributed to red algae. Subsequent studies unveiled that iron oxide seeping from crevices imparts the water's crimson shade. This hypersaline water, rich in iron concentration, flows onto the icy terrain, creating a surreal aquatic phenomenon evoking awe and intrigue. While vampires with unconventional tastes might appreciate such a spectacle, Bloodfalls remains an enigmatic hydrological wonder. Emerald icebergs. Green icebergs are a rare and captivating phenomenon that some skeptics doubted for quite a while. However, they do exist, and encountering one is an extraordinary experience. Their distinctive green color isn't a mere hint of green amidst regular ice. Instead, it's a vibrant and eye-catching shade of green. The origins and causes of this green hue have long been a subject of speculation. Prevailing and widely debated theory points to a straightforward explanation: marine ice. Marine ice refers to seawater frozen beneath an ice shelf, distinct from sea ice that forms on the sea's surface. Historically, the green coloration was attributed to a high concentration of organic matter, specifically phytoplankton, trapped within the frozen seawater. However, a team of scientists has recently emerged to substantiate what many suspected all along. Green icebergs result from frozen seawater, specifically seawater frozen into the underside of an ice shelf. This clarifies the process behind the formation of these jade-colored icebergs, which now appear considerably more understandable in retrospect. Feel free to share your thoughts on which of these discoveries you find most astonishing. Kindly leave your responses in the comment section below.